Next exercise is going to rejuvenate, lift and tone. In this video, I will share facial exercises that will help you get toned cheeks, a slim face and a tight neck. And also on this channel, I've posted a 4-step video to reverse aging. Through these videos, I'm sharing home remedies and tips that have improved my skin greatly. I will share the link in the description box below. You can watch that, but after watching this video. Let's begin. Before any facial workout session, it is important to warm up, just as it is with any other workout. And for that, start by lightly tapping your face with your fingers to increase the blood circulation. And do it for about 20 seconds. Questions related to when you should do your facial exercises and how frequently will be addressed towards end of this video. And then we will do a neck stretch. Turn your head to the side so that your ear is close to your shoulder. Now hold this position for a few seconds. You can use your hands to support your head if you like. Do the opposite side. This helps warm up the neck muscles which are connected to your facial muscles. Next one is jaw release. Open your mouth wide and then close it slowly. Repeat this movement several times to release any tension in your jaw and warm up the muscles around your mouth. Now let's move on to our first exercise. It is critical that you carefully follow all the instructions because performing exercises incorrectly will result in more wrinkles, which is quite opposite of what we want. Forehead exercise. For this, place your palms on the forehead. Make sure you smooth out any lines and firmly hold your forehead skin. Now gently drag your palms downwards about ½ inch. That will drag your forehead skin a bit down, and then start lifting your brows upwards and hold that for 5 seconds and release. Do 10 repetitions and then gently massage your forehead skin and relax for 20 seconds. Make sure you don't hold your breath. Breathe normally and then repeat this 2 more times. That completes your first exercise. In the second exercise, we are going to target our crow's feet, drooping eyelids and eye puffiness. Take your middle fingers and place them on the inner corners of your eyes. At the same time, put gentle pressure on the outer corner of your eyes using index fingers. Gently tilt your head upwards and squint your eyes so that your lower eyelids are raised upwards. Hold it for 5 seconds and then relax. Do this for 4 times and then relax. To complete this exercise, do 3 sets. End this exercise by keeping your eyes shut for about 10 seconds. And now, get ready for the next one. The next exercise is going to rejuvenate, lift and tone all 57 muscles on your face and neck. And also it reduces the appearance of wrinkles on your face and neck. Step number 1. Form a long narrow O with your mouth and hold it for a few seconds. Then firmly pull your upper and lower lips inwards over your teeth and hold them there. Keep your O long and narrow by holding the chin with your fingers. Then lift your cheeks from the corners of your mouth as you would like to smile. Avoid creating wrinkles around your eyes, and to avoid that, you can place your fingers on the temples and press onto the muscle. Do this exercise for 20 seconds and then rest for 10 seconds. And do 3 sets of this exercise. This is anti-aging facial exercise. It addresses problems with sagging skin as well as laugh lines. Now let's address the question how frequently you should engage in anti-aging facial exercises. To achieve the optimum results, anti-aging facial exercises should be done daily or at least 6 times a week to get the most out of these sessions. And the results will be more visible from 2 weeks onwards. All the very best with these exercises, and I'm damn sure if you do them consistently, you will see huge difference in terms of your skin glowing, your face looking tight, and you will start getting compliments from people. But make sure you do it consistently. And that brings us to the end of this video. If you found it useful, please hit the like button and do share your feedback in the comment section below. Subscribe to this channel. Your support means a lot to me and it helps me create more content like this. I will see you guys in my next video. Till then, take it easy and Sat Sri Akal.